Hey everybody, my name is Derek Mitchell and this is my wife Jenna, and we're really excited to invite you to join us on the 7-day Freelance Productivity Challenge. It's going to be awesome. Jenna, you want to tell us about it?
Yeah, so it kicks off August 1st, 7 days of challenges and information that is geared toward helping all of us included, become more productive, better versions of ourselves.
Yes. And we figured we'd kick it off right now in the summer because now's the time when we all want to get out and play. So the more work we can get done up front, the more we can enjoy things like mountain biking, paddleboarding, hanging out with our family, and doing things that really matter in life.
I found a statistic that said we all have over 1,400 minutes in the day, which is a lot of minutes. And even though it doesn't always feel like it, we do get to choose how we spend them. And so we're really excited to, in the next 7 days, uncover with all of you how to be more productive, more peaceful.
And now, well, I was gonna say one thing about this. I know that a lot of this information you might feel like you already know, which is great. A lot of us already know what we should be doing, but a lot of us don't do the work. So another key element to this challenge is you're gonna have accountability. Because we're starting on the 1st, there's gonna be a whole group of us coming through this together, keeping each other accountable to actually do the tasks, to follow through and to actually make an impact in your life. That's more important than the knowledge. I could tell you things all day long, but if you're not gonna do it, it doesn't matter. So this is definitely key, geared up to give you key information that will help keep you on track and help you do the work, and find the success at the end of this. So if that sounds good to you, it's absolutely free. We didn't mention that up front, but it's totally free. Just register below, you'll get signed up. You have access to this for the 10-day period, and at which point it will disappear off the interwebs.
10-day period, because after the 7-day challenge ends, we're actually gonna leave it up for an extra 3 days for those of you that maybe can't commit to the full, 7 days in a row. You maybe need an extra day on either side. So yeah, I think it's gonna be great. And when you register, you're entered to win one of 2 productivity prize packs, including books, planners, Sharpies, the whole 9 yards. It's gonna be awesome.
All right, guys. So get signed up and we'll see you soon.
All right.